Hi, we are the Oreo team.
The team is integrated by Roberto, Leo, and me, Edgar.
And we are going to make an ice cream cake.
For this cake, we will need
2 packs of Oreo cookies, 1 chocolate bar,
a half liter of liquid cream,
2 packs of cream cheese, and 1 butter bar.
180 grams of sugar,
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
The first step is put the 2 packs of cream cheese in a plate and chop up.
To make it easier to stir it.
Now we are going to mash the cream cheese.
After, we are going to pour the half liter of liquid cream.
Add the 180 grams of sugar and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
And whisk up. The next step is slice the cookies.
We are going to put the Oreo cookies in the plastic bag and flatten the cookies.
Now mix the cookies with the other ingredients. Now pour the mixture in our mold.
And one more time, put the mixture of the cake in the freeze for 6 hours.
Melt the butter in a microwave.
Mash the Oreo cookies.
Put the cookies
And add the butter in a mold.
And expand the crushed cookies to make the base.
Now we are going to freeze the mixture in a freezer for 20 minutes.
Now take out the ice cream. And the base of cookies.
The Oreo ice cream to the Oreo base.
Spread the ice cream.
For then, put the cake for 20 minutes in the freezer.
Grate the chocolate and sprinkle it above the cake.
Decorate the cake with cookies.